it's my request, it's my humble request to all of you, to all my viewers, please don't watch my videos. Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam and I, Yashoda. Friends, in this video, I'm not going to give you any advice. I'm not going to talk about how to learn English, how can you improve your English. We are not going to talk about anything like this. But it's my request, it's my humble request to all of you, to all my viewers, please don't watch my videos. Yes friends, it's my humble request. Please don't watch my video. If I'm saying like this, if I'm talking like this, behind this there is a reason. Friends, I just wanna tell you that there are so many English trainers, there are so many English channels on YouTube, there are so many English trainers, there are so many apps on Google Play Store. You can download these apps and you can go to the English trainers channels and you can improve your English. You can purchase any course and you can easily improve your English. If you want to improve your English, there are so many stuff on YouTube. You can use those stuff to improve your English. But please don't watch my video. It's my humble request. I'm saying this from my heart. Friends, if I'm uploading videos on YouTube, then it doesn't mean I want to all of you to watch my video. Friends, if I'm uploading video, then it's because of I want to do my practice of English speaking. I just want to practice my English. Friends, because I'm also a English learner. I'm not a trainer. I'm not a teacher. Okay, I just wanna clear it. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a trainer. So that's why please don't watch my video, because while speaking, while shooting my video, I'm making so much mistakes. I'm making so many mistakes and sometimes I fumble. But if I'm doing like this, but still I'm speaking and I'm happy with myself, because as a housewife, as a woman, there are so many responsibilities. I have so many responsibilities. But after opening this channel, it's my priority. It's also my responsibility. It's also my priority to upload videos on YouTube. And in this way, at least I get sometimes to practice my English, to practice my English speaking. That's why I'm uploading videos on daily basis, because I just want to practice my English. And the second reason why I'm uploading videos, I just wanted to encourage all the learners, all the English learners, that if I'm from this kind of area, if a woman can speak English like this, I know that I'm speaking broken English, but if I can speak English, then you have so many facilities, you have so many things that you can use to improve your English. You can easily improve your English. There are many housewives, there are many English learners who don't have enough environment, who don't have any partner, who don't have enough money, even they don't have enough money to purchase any course. So I'm telling you, but I just wanna upload this video because I just wanna encourage all of them. I just want to encourage all the English learners that if you want to do, then you will definitely do it. And my intention is only this. I just wanna encourage the people. And behind this, there is also one reason that why I'm uploading videos, why I'm making videos like an English trainer. Behind this, there is another reason, and the reason is that what we think, what we become. If I'm making videos as an English trainer, as a teacher, then behind this there is another reason, and I just want to assume myself as a teacher. I just want to assume myself as a English trainer, because because I have heard this, that what we think, what we become. It's our thinking, what we assume ourselves, okay, and what we become after some time. And if we are putting lot of efforts, and if we are ready to give our full 100%, then we will definitely achieve our goals, then we will definitely become what we want to be. Okay, that's why I'm assuming myself. Friends, it's like a law of attraction. What you want to be, what you will want to be, then you will definitely be. That's why I'm supposing myself as an English trainer, because I just want to train, I just want to teach the poor students and poor boys and girls of my village, and the boys and girls nearby my village. There are so many uh, boys and girls, and their parents don't have enough money to pay for their uh, fees, school fees, and I just want to teach them. That's it. My intention is only this, my aim is only this. But as a trainer, I just want to motivate all the people, I just want to encourage all the people around this world. That's why I'm making videos like an English trainer. But I just want to tell you one thing, I'm a learner, I'm not a trainer, I'm not a teacher. I'm also learning this language, I'm also putting a lot of efforts to learn this language. And friends, I think uh, if you want to improve your English, then just assume yourself, just think about yourself that you are speaking fluent English in front of a huge audience. Just speak like this and never get demotivated. Never get demotivated. Always be confident, because confidence is very important to learn anything. Friends, there are many learners who will start their journey with with their 100%, with 100% of confidence, but after 1 week, 2 week, they will get demotivated, because they are not improving their English. Friends, I just want to tell that kind of learners that it will take a long time. It's not a easy process. Learning another language, learning any other language, it's not a easy process. It will definitely take a long time. That's it. If we want to learn English, then first have a patience, have a sense of patience, have a sense of calm. Only then you will achieve everything. But your ambition is also important. Your ambition is extremely important. If you want to do something, if you want to learn something, first your ambition, what you want to be, what you want to suppose yourself to be in future. Okay, friends, that's it. If you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. But if you don't like my videos, then it's okay. I'm telling you, if you wanna watch my video, then watch. But if you don't like to watch my video, then it's okay. I'm not saying anyone to watch my videos. Please, it's my humble request. I want to all of you to watch my videos. I'm not telling like this. Okay, there are so many YouTube channels on internet. There are so many stuff you can use all of this to improve your fluency, to improve your English. I'm telling you, friends, I'm not a teacher, I'm not a trainer, I'm just a English learner like you, and I'm also want to improve my English. It's okay if I'm not able to speak even a single sentence of English today, but I'm sure and I'm optimistic to learn this language, to learn English language after some time. I don't know how much time will it take, how much time will it take to speak fluent English, I don't know. But still, I have ambition, I have my goal, I have my clear goal that I want to be like a native speaker. I want to speak English like a native speaker. That's it, friend. That's what I want to say, that I want to tell you all of you, and I think you will get understand what I want to say to all of you. If you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.